You are welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to copy and paste ads to make money online from home. This is one of the best strategies that you can use to make money online from home because it does not require any investment, it does not require any experience, and it's available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can get started with this particular strategy and you are going to be making money from home. This video involves a lot of steps, so make sure you watch till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that we are going to choose an affiliate network whereby you can promote products and then earn money. This is something that you can do. It does not require any experience, so make sure you keep on watching. So there are a lot of affiliate networks that you can join, but I've chosen this one right here, Digistore24. This is one of the best affiliate networks that you can join to promote products and then earn money from home. One good thing I like about Digistore24 is that it's available worldwide. You can see global availability. Unlike other networks where some countries are blacklisted, these affiliate networks allow people from anywhere in the world to join and then promote products. You can see they already have over 25,000 plus active affiliates, so you can join this network like others and you can be promoting products to make money. The good part is that you are not going to pay for anything, you are not going to invest any money, everything is completely free. So I'm going to show you everything. So now what we are going to do is that you are going to register for an account. For those of you who have an account, you can skip to the next part of the video, but if you don't have an account, what you are going to do is that you are going to just click on register now. Once you click on that, what you are going to do is that you are going to enter your username. Once you enter that, you are also going to select whether you are an affiliate or a vendor. So a vendor simply means that you are going to sell products on this platform, but you are not a seller, so you are not going to select a vendor. Affiliate means you are going to be promoting other people's products on this platform so that they will pay you a commission when you get a sale. Here you can also select both a vendor and an affiliate. So I recommend you select a vendor and an affiliate because it might come to a time that you have an idea on how to create a digital product, and if you want to sell it on this platform, you can do so. So I recommend you select vendor and affiliate. Once you have done that, you are going to enter your email, re-enter your email again, enter your password, re-enter the password again. Once you have done that, you are going to select your time zone. So this is Africa, they have America and then the rest, so you can just select your time zone. Once you select your time zone, you are going to enter your title here, Mr., Mrs. So if you are a professor or a doctor, whatever title that you have, you can enter it here. Once that is done, you are going to enter your first name, last name. So this is your legal name. This is the name that you have registered with your bank accounts or PayPal accounts so that you can receive payments on this platform. If you don't have a company, you can just enter your own name and that becomes your company. You are also going to enter your street, you have your zip code, city, and the number here, your state. For the state, if you are from countries that are divided into regions, so you are going to just enter the name of the region here. If you are from a country like United States, you can enter the state here. So once that is done, you are going to select your country, your phone number, and then your Telegram or Skype names. When I registered for my accounts, I never entered Skype name or Telegram ID, but if you have them, you can enter it here. Once that is done, you are going to click on I have read the B2B contract and the privacy policy and accept them. Once you accept that, you are going to click on register for free. So once you click on register for free, you are going to sign up for a free account and you can begin promoting products on this platform. So once you create an account and log in, what you are going to do is that you are going to click on the marketplace because you don't have any previous data like clicks or your sales. So the most important thing is that you are going to come to the marketplace. Once you come to the marketplace, you are going to see a lot of categories that you can promote products. You can see these are digital products. They have put them into categories. You can see animals and pets, betting system, and the rest. So I wouldn't waste your time mentioning everything, but as you can see, a whole lot of different categories. So you can scroll down. As you scroll down, you can also promote events, seminars. You can also promote physical products. If you promote the physical products, this website will handle the shipment of the products to the customer. So all that you need to do is that you have to just grab an affiliate link and then get people to buy the product through your link so that you can earn a commission when they buy the product. Whether you want to promote digital products, events and seminars, or physical products, you can get them. So once you decide on the product that you want to promote, you can now select the product that you want. So in this video, I'm going to select the health and fitness category under the digital products. So you can see a whole lot of them. So when you come to fitness and health, there are a lot of products that you can promote, but I have the experience of promoting these products, so I'm just going to use it in this video to help you understand everything. As you can see the product here, this is the name of the product, Meticore, and you can see this is the commission per sale. As you can see here, $157.49. so anytime I promote this particular product and get a sale, I'm going to get this amount into my bank accounts. Once you know the commission rate, the next thing is that you are going to click here, promote, so that you can get your promo link. So because I promoted it, that's why you are seeing my link straight. If you have not promoted it before, you see something like promote now. So let me scroll down to show you so that it will clarify you on everything. So as you can see here, promote now. So when you click on it, you can get your affiliate link and you begin to promote the product. So as you can see here, this is my affiliate link. Maybe you don't know more about the product. One important thing is that you have to click on the sales page so that you can get more information about the product. So when you click on it, sales page, you are going to land on a page like this. So this page is what your customers or the people you are promoting the product to, this is the first page that you are going to see. So this product, it has a video that they have to watch. There are other products that have text that they have to read before they purchase the product. So this particular video was made by experienced marketers, so it has all the information that can get the people to buy it. Your duty is to get people to click through the link and then watch this video so that they can now make the decision to buy the product. So now once you have seen the video, you can just click on play to play and then listen to it, but I have done that already. That is why I'm not going to waste your time doing that. So you have to just click on it, watch the video till the end, and then you can get all the information that they are going to talk about in this particular marketing video. Once that is done, what you are going to do is that you are now going to grab your affiliate link. So when you come back to the product, let me scroll upwards for you to see. You are just going to click here, copy link. So once you copy the link, you can then begin to promote it. So I'm going to show you how to post free ads for this particular product so that you can get people to click through it, purchase the product, and you are going to earn money without paying for ads. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use this particular website, my.goomtree.com. So as you can see here, goomtree.com. This is a website that you can post free classified ads for free. You are not going to pay for anything. Everything is completely free. So what you need to do is that you have to keep on posting ads on this website every day. You don't have to post one ad and then expect to get magic results. You have to keep on posting. You have to be consistent with it because it's a competition. Whilst you are posting, others too are posting. So it might occur that your ad will not get a lot of people to view. So you have to be consistent with it. You have to make sure you keep on posting a lot of ads so that you can get people to click through your products and then make a purchase for you to earn money. It does not take time to post an ad on this platform. This particular website, you are going to be getting quality traffic. The people who are visiting this website, they are from tier 1 countries, and those countries, there is a high possibility that you get people to buy the product. So let me use SimilarWeb to analyze for you. So when you come to SimilarWeb, you can see my.goomtree.com. So let me show you the amount of traffic it gets every month. So as you can see, 6.4 million views. You can see March it got 6.1 million views. So you can see it's up and down. That is a huge source of traffic that you can get to your affiliate link. So let me scroll down to show you the traffic source. When you come here, you can see almost 100% of the traffic is coming from United Kingdom, and all of you know that United Kingdom is one of the tier 1 countries that you can easily get a sale. And you can see the second high traffic source is Ireland. This is also a country that you can easily get a sale. You can see the third one is United States. That is also a tier 1 country, and you can be getting people to buy the product. You can see Brazil here, you can see Australia, and then the rest. So this is a quality traffic source that you can use to promote your products for free. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to start posting ads on this platform. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to come here, click post ad. So once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to write the product name here. So as you can see, tell us what you are posting. So the product that we are promoting is weight loss supplement, so we are going to just type supplement. So that is done. Once you type supplement, what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down, and then you can click on browse to find a category. So we want to find a category for our product. So what you are going to do is that you're just going to click on browse to find a category. So once you click on that, you are going to select for sale because we are selling the product. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down, and what we are looking for is health and beauty. So you are going to select that here. As you can see, health and beauty. So once you click on that, you are going to search for weight loss. So that is what we are searching for right now. So as you can see, diet and weight loss. So you are going to select that. Once you select that, you are going to click here continue, so that you can continue to the next step. Once you click on continue, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, enter your postcode. So you are going to enter a postcode here. So that is basically the location that you are posting the ad. In my experience, any number that I enter, they say is wrong. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to enter a wrong figure here. So let me show you. As you can see, they have their own code here that they want you to post a similar thing. So I don't have that here. So what I'm going to do is that just enter a wrong code. Once you enter a wrong code, click on go. You can see that my code is wrong. That's why they are letting me to put it in this format. So what we are going to do is that just copy their own postcode. Just copy it. Just copy their own, and then you are going to delete your wrong code. And then what you are going to do is that you are going to post DS here. Once you post this here, just click on go, and you can begin posting your ad. You can see it is now correct. Once that is done, what you are going to do is that you are going to enter the title of your ad. So what we are going to do is that you are going to go back to the product. So when you come back to the product, you can see that this is about weight loss. So what you are going to do is that you are just going to write any title that is clickable. So I'm just going to type something, discover how to lose weight in 7 days with this metabolism trick. I think that is okay. So discover how to lose weight in 7 days with this metabolism trick. Just a simple clickable title like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Don't select agent, because if you select that, you are going to pay £3.29. So you don't want to pay. So what you are going to do is that you are going to add a product image. So just come to Google. Once you come to Google, just search for the product name. So here we are going to select Meticore, and you can get free images to use on the platform. So just type Meticore. Once you search for that, there are going to be a lot of images that you can use. So as you can see, just click on images, and you can get free images that you can use to promote the product. Once you click on images, you can see a whole lot of them. So you can just save one of them and begin to use to promote the product. So once you find the image, just right click and then select save image as. Once you select that, you are going to save the image onto your device. Once you save the image, the next thing is that you are going to enter the image here. So you can add up 20 images, but I'm just going to demonstrate for you. So I want to add one. So let's just add the image. So you just select it, click on open, and it's going to appear here. As you can see, this is the image of the product. So you can add up to 20 images. So you can keep on adding images. So once you add the image of the product, they say add your YouTube link. So you can add that if you have a YouTube link. The next thing is that you are going to write the product description here. So just write some brief information about the product. I have done that, so I'm just going to copy and paste for you to see. As you can see, I just wrote some brief information about the product. You can see it's just like a definition. Meticore is an 8-ingredient blend that works as morning metabolism trigger to help speed up, and then the rest. Once you've written some brief information about the product, you are going to add a call to action. So what you are going to do is that you're going to just type something like, for more information, click here. So just like that, for more information, click here. So let's do that. So once this is done, what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your affiliate link here, because if you want to insert your link in this website, you are required to pay, but we don't want to pay. We are going to find the other way of getting our link through without paying for the ad. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come back to Digistore 24. Once you come back to Digistore 24, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. So just copy it Once you copy it, you are going to shorten the link, because you can see an affiliate link, it looks so long and then ugly. So what you want to do is that you are going to use Bitly to shorten the link. Once you are on Bitly, what you are going to do is that you are just going to click on create. Once you click on create, you are going to paste your affiliate link here. So let's just paste it here. Once you paste it here, just click on create and it's going to shorten the link for you. So once you click on create, you can see this is the shortened link. The reason why you are seeing this is because I've used this platform to customize my link. That's why you are seeing this. But in your case, you are going to see a shortened link. So once you shorten the link, just click on copy and you can copy your link. Once you copy your affiliate link, just come back to your ad and you are going to paste the link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link here, what you need to do is that you have to create a space here, because if you leave the link like this website, they are not going to allow you to post the ad. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create a space here so that they wouldn't recognize that it is a link. So once you've done that, you are going to give a direction to the audience. So you are going to write something like remove spaces. So you are going to give a clear direction like this. Once that is done, you are going to just close the bracket and then you are going to leave it like this. Once you have your link in the description, the next thing is that you are going to enter the price. So when you come back to Digistore 24, you can see that the price is $186.85. When you come back to your ad, you can see this is in pounds. So the pounds is higher than the dollar. So what we are going to do is that we are just going to enter a figure here. So let's enter 178, just like that. So once you enter the price, you can see the other details. Don't enter your website here, because if you enter, you are going to pay £2.80. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. If you want premium features, you can select any of these and you are going to pay, but we are going to post it for free, so you don't need to select any of these options. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down and here your contact details. So I'm going to leave it with the email. You can select phone number so that people will call you and then ask more about the product, but I don't want that. I want the email option. You can equally click on it so that they wouldn't get your contact details. You can also select email so that they can get your details, but I want them to get my details because some people might not buy the product. They want to make inquiries before they purchase the product, so I will leave my email right here. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see total, that is the cost, and it's free. So what you are going to do is that you are going to post your ad so that it can go live on this platform, and you are going to be getting people to click through your affiliate link. So just click on post ad. So you can see almost there, but it looks like you are missing something. So let me check any of the details. There's some details that I couldn't enter, that's why it happened this way. So I've corrected that. So what you are going to do is that you're just going to click on post my ad, and your ad is going to be live on this platform. So as you can see it here, it's going live on the platform. You can see now the ad has been posted. You can see my title, you can see the ID, you can see thanks, and then the rest. So as you can see, this is what you are going to be doing to get traffic to your affiliate link. You can click here, post another ad, and you are going to repeat the same steps so that you can post a lot of ads per day on this platform for free without paying for any fee. So you have to keep on repeating so that you can get a lot of people to click through your product and then make a purchase for you to earn money. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.